Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Google Meet or Zoom to your calendars so that every new booking on your calendar auto-generates a unique video call link from one of these two video service providers. To do this, before we actually create the calendar and connect these two services, we first need to connect them to our Fullscope Freelancer account. We can do this in the settings area. So you can see I'm already here. So if we go to settings and my profile and scroll down, we'll see the connection for Zoom here under integration. Just click connect, sign into your account, and it will do the rest. The same thing with Google. If we go down to integrations and you click sign in with your Google account, then again, it'll just prompt you to connect Google with Fullscope Freelancer, and then you'll be ready to go. So once those two connections are made, we're going to go back to calendars and create a new calendar for ourselves. So I'll click create calendar on the top right here. And for right now, we really recommend everyone to use the round robin calendar because this calendar is going to sync to all of the calendars that you've connected to your account, whether it's Google or Outlook or others. The simple calendar can only monitor one calendar at a time in terms of syncing and checking your availability. So if you have multiple calendars connected to your account, personal and business, and you don't want clients booking you on a day where maybe you have a doctor's appointment in your personal account, et cetera, use the round robin calendar because this is going to be monitoring every calendar that you have synced with your account and just keeping your availability up to date all the time. So I'll click select here. I'll name this calendar, something obvious for myself, test calendar. Selected team member is obviously going to be yourself. So click your own name here. Give your calendar a custom URL. I'll just call it my calendar name. And don't worry about this custom URL. It's only going to be visible if you actually send people a direct link to your calendar. If you're embedding the calendar on your website, either on a website of ours or on a separate website outside of our system, no one's ever going to see this URL name. So you don't have to worry if it's not as pretty as you want it to be. And as you can see, this is already taken. So I need to add something unique to it. So I'll just add some random numbers. And I'm not going to get into how to set up all the availability and meeting duration and things like this. We have a separate video on that. I'm just going to click confirm and go straight away to the actual connection to Google and Zoom. So let's go to this calendar and click edit. And now we're going to load up all of the settings for the calendar. And under meeting details, we're going to scroll to the bottom. And you'll see here, this is we have your name, which should be your name if you selected yourself. And here on the very right, we can select the meeting location. So right now it's on custom. So if you are using a video service that isn't Zoom or Google that we don't have an integration for, then you could just copy paste your unique link here for any video calls in that external service. But of course, if you're using Zoom or Google Meet, can click this drop-down menu and just select one of the two from here. And that way, every time, for example, if you use Google Meet, every time someone books a call with you through your calendar, it will auto-generate a unique link for that call that you will receive and they will receive. And that way you don't have any conflicting links or people coming into calls that you're already in with other clients or leads. This is going to keep your system just running really smoothly and cleanly and give a better impression for your clients. So again, Google Meet or Zoom, one or the other, just make sure it's connected to your account. Make sure you come in this round robin calendar and add it here at the very bottom. And then don't forget to save, obviously. And if you have any questions about calendar event confirmations or reminders, we have a separate video about setting that up that I'll link below so you can watch that as well. And of course, if you have other questions, just drop us a comment or reach out to the support team. We'll be more than happy to help.